Hi guys, my name is Prissy. This dream bob, you guys, would not be anything without the dream coat. Take it from me, I live in Miami and the humidity here is no joke. I also am Hispanic and I have really thick Latina hair, and with the dream coat, it really keeps it nice, sleek, and shiny without the frizz attacking it. I start by applying this product from root to tip. Also, don't be scared to use a lot of this product. It was totally made for that. So Dream Coat is heat activated, so I like to go in after my hair is sectioned, get my blow dryer, run my brush through it, and make sure that there is tension on the brush. Now, if you're a little extra like I am, I like to get my flat iron, and for a finishing touch, I like to run it right through my hair just to seal everything and make sure everything is perfect. To see more dreamy hair inspirations like my dream bob, make sure to follow us at Color Wow Hair, and I'll make sure to catch you next time. Bye guys!